How to change the language on your Netflix account. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can change the language on your Netflix. So, if you go to your Netflix app and then try changing the language from there, you simply won't be able to change it from there as the option is not available in the app. So, in order to change your language, you'll have to do it through your browser. So, open any browser you'd like and now simply go to netflix.com. Now you'll have to first of all log into your Netflix account, and once you've logged in, your interface will look somewhat like this. Now you'll have to tap on the three lines on the top left corner of your screen. After that, tap on the option account, which is just under your name, and now it will take you to this page. So you'll have to scroll down, and right under profile and parental controls, you can see a list of your profiles. So in order to change language, simply select the profile which you want, and then on the first option you can see language. So simply tap on change, and now you'll be able to change the language to any one of these. So for now, let's select Espanol, and now once you've done that, simply tap on save. And there you have it. You have successfully changed the language of your Netflix account. And if you want to change the language for other account or profile, you can do the same. Simply tap on this arrow icon right over here and then change the language. So that is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys. And if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.